Here's a look at my yard back in November. That's not POA, that's some bent grass I got going on there, and I'm going to go over a few ways you can do some repairs in your yard to take care of like some POA patches or just some bad spots that you have going on. I got a couple of large spots I'm going to be talking about today, but first of all, to get rid of this bent grass, pretty simple. I use tenacity. Tenacity really works well on killing the bent grass because bent grass doesn't like it. So in November I started applying tenacity about once a month, and it worked over the course of the winter, and it gave me a bunch of dead spots. So I got my plugger out and I cut some sod plugs out of my spare grass patch I have over here on my side yard. It looks really terrible, but I don't really take care of this patch. I probably should if I'm going to use it as plugs. And you're going to see what I had to do to kind of get it to blend back in with my yard here. But I just cut these plugs out, plugged them back in there, cut out spots, and stomped them in the ground. And then I had to work on getting the color match to my yard there, because when I put these plugs in, their color was a little bit lighter. I don't really fertilize or take care of that sod patch I have on my side yard, so the color was off. You can kind of see here it's a little light. So what I'm going to end up doing is I am going to take some iron and some nitrogen, and this is about March I started applying the iron and the nitrogen, and I'm just kind of working on spraying these patches, but spraying the lawn as well, but I kind of give a little extra dose to those light patches there. And here's a look at my putting green. This was a mess. I'm going to go ahead and do that repair as well and give you the update on that as of what it looks like right now in this video. So I'm going to jump back to the short I did and kind of give you a full screen view of how I did this repair. I did that extension on my putting green there, this area that I'm repairing, and it was a mess. I used this Tagro dirt, and it just wasn't a good mix for doing that repair. So I used my dethatcher, the Sun Joe, and I just ground it all up and got it to this stage here. I had added some soil, leveled it out, and then I put my seed down, rolled it, and I raked it in, and I rolled it. And then I'm doing this time lapse here. This is kind of my first stab at doing a time lapse video. I have a few more that I'm doing this year on a couple of different reseeding jobs that I'm in the process of doing right now. So that's just kind of this is about a 30-day period. I started this project in March. It was like March 15th or March 20th, something like that, and this time lapse is over a month. It was completed somewhere around April 21st, something like that. So it took about a month to do this, and you're going to notice here I'm going to have a little scalp I do on my putting green there when I'm mowing, and it kind of is going to show you that that bent grass really repairs itself well. I mean, this is only 4 or 5 days right there that it went by before it had patched itself. So this was about a month after I'd sprayed it and did that plugging, just kind of the progress of those patches I had done. They're starting to fill in really good now. They're looking a lot better, and this here again is about April 21st, and they're really starting to blend in. You can still see a few of those patches there. And then here is pretty much last week. Last week I went out and I took some video of the yard after I did a mow. This is kind of in the morning, and this kind of gives a really good glimpse of pretty much the color that I have in my Kentucky bluegrass there and my putting green. I also have a little video there, just right there where the flagpole is. I got that area next to my entryway walk that is under repair right now. I'm going to be adding some Kentucky bluegrass there, building a little retaining wall. So I'm going to have that video for you here coming up. And this is kind of just an overview. This is kind of a look at all the projects I have going on right now. I got that front walk patch that I'm working on, a retaining wall and putting some grass in. I got my backyard there. I just reseeded. That's kind of coming along. Doing some time-lapse video on that. The backyard grass is looking pretty good. It's getting nice and green, growing nice and thick. Down there in the bottom right, I got my dirt pile that I'm still using to kind of fill in. And this is kind of a little pan to the right here where this is the repair job I did for my neighbor, Wilson. He had a really bad grub problem. And his front yard there in the top right, going to do some repair on that as well this year, probably next weekend. So, this is just kind of a few ways that I go about making some repairs in my yard. Pretty easy to do. It's a good way to take care of maybe some dog brown burn spots and stuff like that from your dog peeing in your backyard. I hope you got a little good information out of this. Coming up, I'm going to have some videos of all the different projects I've been working on, just to kind of give you a little glimpse of how I do some projects around my yard. And I really appreciate you watching. If you like, subscribe, had some comments, go ahead and throw them in there. That'll get my channel out to some other people. Thanks for watching. See you next time.